Hey there, folks. This is Margaret Klein coming to you live from 554 Marnie Circle here in West Melbourne. And this is a super cute double wide mobile home. And you're going to get a shot of the dog in here, I'm sure, at some point. But we've got our little kitchen nook. We've got a little coffee area over here. We go out into the living room. And as we go this way, got a nice big enclosed patio area. You've got your windows, you've got your blinds. We are going to turn around here and go through the rest of the house. This home does come with a huge shed area that's got the washer and the dryer in it. And along with that, there is an additional shed outside, which is awesome. So this is your guest bath, guest bedroom. And as we go in here, we are going into the primary bedroom. And this room is a big room. We have plenty of space in here, lots of cool stuff. The shower in here was redone and tub went away. And that was so that we would be ready for anybody who needed handicapped areas. So, and then of course your toilet, your shower, your cabinet area. I am trying really hard not to be in the video. And one more look of this room. We've got a nice big closet area. It goes all the way across the room. Again, I'm at 554 Marnie Circle here in West Melbourne. I got this nice beachy vibe in here. It's super cute. Nice flooring. Lots of lighting with fans. So if you'd like to see this home in person, just give me a call. My name again is Margaret. My number is 321-480-7662. Love to show you around in person and hope to talk to you soon. Signing off here in West Melbourne, Florida.